Who is Allah, the God of Muslim, and also Jesus Christ is God, who is the mastermind of that. Let's find out. Jesus Christ said, I came here with the name of my Father, but you don't believe it. But those who are coming bring his own name, you believe it. So Jesus Christ pointing out Allah, because Allah, he bring his own, introducing people of Saudi Arabia everywhere, including Israelites today. Their God is Allah, but they don't believe Israelite. They don't believe it Jesus Christ, and also Jehovah. So Allah is not translated from Tetragrammaton, and also Jesus Christ too not translated from Tetragrammaton. So those who make Jesus Christ is God, they are belong to what Jesus Christ, that I came here, you don't believe it. I came here with the name of my Father, you don't believe it. But who came here, bring his own name, you believe it. That's the pointing out the prophecy of Jesus Christ is Allah, because Allah is not translated from the Tetragrammaton. And those who also believe that Jesus Christ is God, they are belong to the masquerades of angels of light. And now you know, and the truth will set you free, my friend. Bye bye now.